Good morning, students. So today we are going to do chapter number 5 from your English textbook, Sniffles the crocodile and Punch the butterfly. Okay, here Sniffles is the name of the crocodile and Punch is the name of the butterfly. Now Sniffles and Punch both are friends. Okay, the crocodile is not happy being a crocodile because he is too huge and large, and he doesn't like being a crocodile. He says that he is very ugly. He also does not want to hunt other animals. His mother and father hunts for him and feeds him food. Whereas Punch, the butterfly, who is crocodile's friend, she wants to be large and huge, and she wants to fight everyone. Okay, so these two opposite people are best friends, and what happens next and how they save each other from other people, we are going to see in this story. Okay, so let us first solve the warm up exercise. What is the warm up exercise? It is a puzzle. Okay, so here it is given: read the clues below and solve the crossword puzzle on the hunting of animals. Okay, so here we are given about some clues, some hints that about animals who are killed for their claws. What are claws? Claws are the feet of the animals. Okay, for their claws, for their skin, for their feathers, for their horns, for their teeth, etc. So let us solve this puzzle. So here across means going this way horizontally. Okay, so what is the first one? People kill this wild animal mostly for its claws and skin. Okay, so this is a wild animal who is mostly killed for its claws. Claws means feet, okay, and skin. So which can be this wild animal? It is the tiger. Okay, so here we will write tiger in the first one, which is across, going horizontally. Tiger. Okay, tiger. Now third one. This bird is killed for its lovely colorful feathers. Now which bird has colorful feathers? The peacock. Okay. So in this third one we are going to write peacock. 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 Okay. Fourth one. This animal, mostly found in Assam, is killed for its horn. So which animal is found in Assam and has a horn? It is the rhinoceros. Okay, the rhinoceros is mostly found in Assam in India, and it has a horn which is on his nose. Okay, so the fourth one is rhinoceros. RHINOCEROS. Okay. Sixth one. This animal is killed for its white fur and meat. Now which animal has white fur? What is fur? The soft skin of the animal. Okay. So which animal has white fur? The rabbit. Okay. So sixth one is rabbit. 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 Seventh one. This huge animal is killed for its fat, called blubber. Okay, which is the huge animal? Huge animal is elephant or whale. Okay, so here we are talking about the whale. Whale is killed for its fat. What is fat? Fat is the charbi. Okay, the cholesterol. So the whale's fat is called blubber. Okay, so they use whale's fat for various things. That is why they kill whale. So let us write whale. 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 Okay. Now let us see the down one. This huge animal is killed for its tusks. Now see again huge animal. One huge animal we have finished here. Now again we are going to do a huge animal. Now we are going for the downwards. Down means this one, vertically. So this is again a huge animal which is killed for its tusks. Now what are tusks? The two teeth that the elephant has. Okay, the long teeth that the elephant has, they are very expensive. So this is the elephant. Okay, so here, where is to here? So we are going to write ELEPHANT, elephant. Okay, the last one, this reptile's skin is used to make handbags, wallets and belts. Now what is a reptile? A reptile is an animal which crawls on the land. Okay, so it is a snake whose skin is used to make handbags, wallets and belts. Okay, so the fifth one is SNAKE, snake. Alright, now let us see the chapter. Let us start. Can a crocodile that is not brave save his friend and become a hero? Read the story and find out. So what is it saying? That this crocodile is not brave at all, but he is saving his friend and is becoming a hero. So how does that happen? So let us read the story and find out. So I have already told you what this story is about. There is a crocodile whose name is Sniffles. Okay, so he does not want to be a crocodile. He is always crying and he is always complaining about some of the other things to his parents. And there is a butterfly, golden yellow butterfly, whose name is Punch. Okay, now this butterfly wants to be huge and big and wants to fight with everybody. Now some incidents happen where these two save each other. Okay, the butterfly saves Sniffle and Punch, and Sniffles saves the butterfly who is Punch. So let us read ahead and let us see what is happening. In the swamp. What is swamp? Swamp is a very wet land near the river or the sea. Okay, it is a land but it is very wet, watery. Okay, in the swamp on the far side of the forest lived Sniffles, the crocodile. So where did the crocodile live? It lived far away from the forest. Far away means दूर. Okay, दूर रहता था forest से, but where? Near the river on the swamp. Okay, what was the name of the crocodile? Sniffles. Now how was Sniffles? Let us read. Sniffles was always shedding big crocodile tears. Shedding big crocodile tears means crying. Okay, shedding means छोड़ना, रोना, देना. Okay, so Sniffles was always shedding, मतलब रोना. Sniffles was always shedding big crocodile tears or going sniff, sniff. Now what does sniff means? Sniff means to breathe loudly with loud noise. Okay, so he used to breathe very loudly in the air, opening his big mouth. Okay, so what was he doing? Either he was always crying or he was always sniffing. Sniffing means breathing with a loud noise. Even his mum was quite tired of him and would say, "Stop sniveling and crying. Start behaving like a crocodile. Go hunt for your food." So what is his mum doing? His mum is also very tired of him. Why? Because he is always crying. He is always sniveling. Sniveling means crying and complaining. Okay, sniveling means crying and complaining and irritating everybody. So what is his mom saying? That please stop crying, please stop complaining, start behaving like a crocodile. Now what do crocodiles do? Crocodiles hunt for their own food, but here Sniffles does not like to be a crocodile, so he did not go and hunt for food. He did not like to eat other animals. So his mom is telling him that go and hunt for your own food. Go do something at least. Stop crying. Stop complaining for everything. But Sniffles did not want to do anything. So now what happens next? Let us read and see. Sniffles would burst into tears at the thought of eating another animal. So, mom and dad had to feed Sniffles every day. Now, see, Sniffles was always crying. When his mom used to say, when his mom means mother, okay? When his mother used to say, go hunt for other animals, hunt for your own food, eat your own food. So, Sniffles would again start crying that I don't want to kill other animals, I don't want to be a crocodile. So every time Sniffles' mother and father had to feed. Had to feed means give him food every day. Sniffles was not doing anything. Turn your page. Sniffles did not want to be a crocodile. Okay, so here we understood that Sniffles is not liking to be a crocodile. He doesn't want to be a crocodile. I am so ugly, he thought, bursting into tears. Now again he is crying and he is saying, I am so ugly. That is why he doesn't want to be a crocodile. He did not even live like crocodiles did. Okay, he didn't live like crocodiles. What were crocodiles doing? Always carrying other animals, carrying other beings, and then hunting for themselves, eating other animals. So this crocodile, who is Sniffles, he was not doing anything like other crocodiles were doing. He was always crying and always complaining to his parents. Now let us read about his friend, who is the butterfly. His friend was Punch, a golden yellow butterfly. What was the color of the butterfly? Golden yellow. And name of the butterfly is Punch. Punch wanted to be big and strong. So here it is the opposite. Okay. Here Sniffles is big and strong, but he does not want to be like that. And Punch is delicate and small, but she wants to be big and strong. So Punch always had her feeler curled into a fist, saying, look out, I will punch you in the mouth. Now what is a feeler? See, look here. This is a butterfly and these are the feelers. These two, okay, are called the feelers. These the butterflies use this to taste something, touch something, or feel something. So what she would do, she would always make these feelers into a fist. Okay, fist is this, and tell someone that look out, दूर रहो मुझसे या फिर मैं आपको पंच मार दूंगी. Okay, look out, I will punch you in the mouth. Now they made a very funny pair. Funny means, what does funny mean? Funny means hasana. Okay, very humorous. And pair means, pair is two things together. Okay, a pair is two things together or two people together. Okay, so there are two people together, one crocodile and one butterfly. So they made a very funny pair. Okay, उनको देखकर सबको हंसी आती थी. Why? Because the crocodile was very big and strong and the butterfly was very delicate, and these two people were friends. So everybody used to laugh on them. Sniffles, swimming with Punch, perched on his head. What is the meaning of perched? Perched means resting, sitting aram se. Okay. So what would this Punch do? Sniffles used to swim in the river and Punch used to sit on his head. So everybody used to see and laugh at them. The other crocodiles would laugh and make fun of them. उनकी मजाक उड़ाते थे. That did not bother Sniffles. Bother means worry. Okay. Sniffles did not used to bother. He did not worry what other people are thinking about them. He continued crying, sniffling, and being friends with Punch. So what are the qualities of Sniffles? He was always crying. He was always sniffling. Sniffling means complaining. And being friends with Punch. What happened one day? Let us read. One sunny afternoon, Punch settled herself near Sniffles' ear. Okay, settled herself means came flying and stopped near Sniffles' ear. And what did she tell him? That I have seen two men come this way with guns. They want to kill crocodiles for their skin. Now Punch was flying some way and she saw two men who were coming with guns, and what they wanted to do, they wanted to kill the crocodiles for their skin. Okay. Now what is Sniffles asking her? Don't these men have skins of their own? Asked a puzzled Sniffle. What is meant by puzzled? Puzzled means confused. Okay. So what is Sniffle confused about? Sniffle is confused that these men don't have their own skin. Why are they coming for the snakes, for the crocodile's skin? So here Sniffles is not aware that crocodile skin is used to make different products. So that is why Sniffles is asking that these men do not have their own skin. Why are they coming to take our skin? What is Punch saying? I don't know, Sniffles, said Punch. Tell the other crocodiles and hide. What is the butterfly saying here? The butterfly is smart and intelligent. That is why she is saying that I don't know, Sniffles, why they are coming for your skin, but first you go and inform the other crocodiles and go and hide somewhere. Hide means chupna. Okay. So here what the Sniffles is telling? Punch, they might shoot you. Oh, what will I do? Said Sniffles, sobbing. Sobbing means crying. So Sniffles is not worrying about itself. The crocodile is worried about the butterfly. He is saying that Punch, if they shoot you with the gun, what will I do? My best friend will be gone. Okay, and started crying again. People catch butterflies with nets and pin them to a board. So how do people catch the butterfly? They catch the butterflies with a net and they do not shoot the butterflies with a gun. Why? Because butterflies can fly. So by the time the people shoot the butterflies will be gone. Okay. So what do people do? People catch butterflies with nets and pin them to a board. Okay. And that is not a good thing to do. My grand aunt told me. So who told this to the butterfly? Her grand aunt. Grand aunt means sister of the grandmother. Okay. Said Punch and flew away. Okay. Now Punch is very intelligent and she is telling that she knows how the butterflies are caught and how the crocodiles are killed. So she is informing Sniffles that go hide somewhere, also inform your other friends, and she is also telling how the butterflies are killed. The other crocodiles heard Sniffles crying and shouting. Okay, so these other Sniffles is trying to inform other crocodiles also. He is crying. Okay, he is crying and shouting that men are coming to kill us. Hide, hurry, hide. So he is crying and he is shouting for other crocodiles to go and hide and hurry up. Hurry means jaldi jaldi. Okay, quickly. But what happens? Because Sniffles is always crying, they do not believe Sniffles. Okay. The other crocodiles do not believe Sniffles. Why? Because he is always crying. Okay. At first, the other crocodiles did not believe Sniffles, but then they heard the man's footsteps. In the beginning, when Sniffles was telling them, go and hide, some men are coming to kill us for our skin, so they did not believe Sniffles. Why? Because he is always crying. Now, when they hear the men coming, their footsteps, so now they believe Sniffles and now they are trying to go and hide somewhere. So now where they are hiding and what they are doing? The crocodiles went deep into the river. Deep means inside. Okay, बहुत गहरे पानी में चले जाना. So the crocodiles are going deep into the river and what they are doing? They are leaving some rotten logs. What are rotten logs? Rotten means खराब हो गया and old. Okay, old and destroyed. Logs. What are logs? Logs are pieces of wood. Okay, you can see here. Okay, what they have done? They have left the rotten logs on the water to float because they are looking like crocodiles. So the man would be confused that these are crocodiles. So the men started shooting at the logs which were looking like crocodiles from far away. Why far away? Because they were afraid that the crocodiles would attack them. Okay. So what happened? The man could not see any crocodiles, okay? So only hundreds and hundreds of butterflies were coming, and they were irritating and distracting the man from shooting, and they were going into their faces and hair. Okay, so all the butterflies, the Punch was the best friend of Sniffles, so she wanted to save Sniffles, and she called all her friends, and all the butterflies together came and started distracting the men from shooting the crocodiles, and they were going all into their faces and hair. So what they were doing, they were shaking their heads, nodding their heads, and trying to brush off the butterflies. What is meant by brush off? Brush off means to stop and to making them move away. And what they said, there are no crocodiles here, we will bring nets and catch the butterflies. Okay, now they are changing their plan, and they are saying that here are no crocodiles, tomorrow we will come and we will bring nets and catch the butterflies. And then the man went away. All the crocodiles got together and thanked Punch and the other butterflies. Now all the crocodiles came out of the water, and then they started thanking Punch and all the other butterflies for saving them. What happened now? The next day, the men came with the nets to catch the butterflies. Now Sniffles remembered what Punch had told him about the nets. Punch had told him that, but how butterflies are caught? Butterflies are caught with nets, and they are pinned to the boards. Now Sniffles is calling Punch. Punch, the nets, come here quick, the man with nets have come. So now the previous day the butterfly had seen the men coming with guns. Now here the crocodile have seen the men coming with nets, and now they are informing the butterfly to go and hide. Okay, so they are informing the butterflies that the men have come with nets to catch you all, come here. Now the crocodiles are coming out from the swamp, and they are making a circle around the men to scare them, to frighten them, and the butterflies are sitting on the heads and backs of the crocodile. Now what they are doing, they are scaring the men, they are snapping their jaws. What is the meaning of snapping? Snapping means open and shut. Now their jaws, jaws means their big mouth. See what they are doing here. Okay, this is the jaw, and they are opening and shutting their jaws to scare the men away. Sniffles was in the front. Okay, now Sniffles was in the front. Why? Because it was the best friend who was in danger. Okay, Punch was in danger, so now Sniffles was being brave, and he was in the front, gnashing his teeth. Now gnashing his teeth means making the sound of teeth in anger, and whipping his tail. Whipping means moving his tail very quickly, like this. Okay, his tail around most menacingly. Menacingly means in a dangerous manner. Now he is behaving like a crocodile. He is scaring the man away. He is now being a proper crocodile. The men were so frightened. Frightened means afraid. The men were so frightened that they took to their heels. Took to their heels means starting running. Okay, to run away. So now the men are very afraid, and they have started to run away out of the swamp. Swamp means, I have already told you, it is the wet land near the river. The other crocodiles were very proud of Sniffles, as he had acted like a real crocodile. Why? Because now Sniffles had acted like a real crocodile. He had scared the man away. So all the other crocodiles were very proud of Sniffles, and Sniffles was also proud to be one. Proud to be one means he was now also proud to be a crocodile. Earlier he was not happy being a crocodile, but now he is very proud being a crocodile. Now let us solve the textbook exercise. Choose the correct option. Okay. Sniffles did not want to be a crocodile because, why Sniffles did not want to be a crocodile? Let us read the option. He felt that crocodiles were very ugly. The other crocodiles made fun of him. He was scared of being killed by hunters. So what is the option? Correct option is option A, because he felt that crocodiles were very ugly. That is why he didn't want to be a crocodile. Second one, Punch wanted to be A. Big and strong, B. Wise and brave, C. Rich and beautiful. So she wanted to be big and strong. So option A is the correct answer. People kill crocodiles for their, why do people kill crocodiles? What do they want from crocodiles? Their hair, their skin, or their blood? So they want the skin of the crocodiles to make products like bags and other things. Who told Punch that people caught butterflies and pinned them to a board? Who told Punch? Punch's grandaunt, Punch's grandfather, or Punch's grandmother? So Punch's grandaunt told her that how butterflies were caught and pinned to a board. Fifth one, the men shot at the logs because, why did the men shot at the logs? Because they thought that they were butterflies, they were crocodiles. So let us see the option. The men shot at the logs because A, they were rotten, B, they looked like snakes from afar, C, they looked like crocodiles from afar. So it is option C. Let us see, mark the sentences as true or false. If it is true, you will write T. If it is false, you will write F. Sniffles and the other crocodiles lived in a swamp. So it is true, they were living in a swamp. Sniffles' mom and dad had to feed him. Yes, it is true. Why? Because Sniffles did not hunt for himself. So it is true. Punch was bright orange in color. False. Punch was golden yellow in color. So this is false. Punch was big and strong. No, it is false. Why? Because she was small and delicate and she wanted to be big and strong. So this statement is false. Sniffles helped to save Punch and other butterflies. Yes, it is true. So it is T. Okay.